Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Faris Hamzi bin Muhazim. Today I want to present about acknowledgement. Firstly, we would like to express our gratitude towards our dearest lecturer, Puan Jamilah binti Muhammad Ghazali, who successfully delivered her lecture to make sure we perceive the engineering mathematics, especially in limits, differentiation, and integration. Without her constant supervision and guidance, this report assignment could not reach its destination. Next, we are truly grateful because we managed to complete this assignment within the time given by Puan Jamilah binti Muhammad Ghazali. This assignment group could not be complete without the effort and cooperation among our group members. Dina Batrisha, Diana, Farah, Najwa, Aisha Anasha, Mirza, and Faris. We would like to thanks to our friends and honorable mention to our beloved lecturer who helped us through in perfecting this assignment report.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Farina Jomti Rosni. My matric number is AA 2002 and 23. I will present to you the problem statement for case 1. A farmer who wishing to purchase this land will want to know exactly how large an area. Based on the ground plan, the land is bound by the y-axis on the west, the x equal to 100 in the south. The land described by the function y equal square root 2x divided by 10 multiplied by 2 plus 60. In the north, and the line x equal to 100 in the east. As a owner of the land, you decide to do an earlier calculation, so the sell and purchase process will be fast and smooth. You start by sketch the graph and finding the area of the land. Then you also want to find the surface area of the land.
Filler table. Problem format. A farmer wishing to purchase a land would want to know the exact area of the land. Based on the ground plan, the land is bounded by the x-axis on the south, the x equal to 100 in the west, the lake described by the function y equal to, in the bracket, square root 2x over 10, close bracket to the power of 2, plus 60 minus x in the north, and the line x equal to 1000 in the east. As an owner of the land, you decided to do an earlier calculation so that the sale and purchase process will be fast and smooth. You start by sketching the graph and finding the area of the land. Then you also want to find the surface area of the land. Facts. A farmer wants to purchase our land. He wants to know the exact area of the land. As an owner, we decided to do an earlier calculation. The land is bounded by the x-axis on south, the x equal to 100 in the west. The lake described by the function, in the bracket, square root 2x over 10, close bracket to the power of 2, plus 60 minus x in the north, and the line x equal to 1000 in the east. Ideas. The land that the farmer wishing to purchase has a lake. The length of the land is about 1000. The length of the lake is about 10,000. Learning issues. How to find the area of the land. What kind of graph that we will get. How to find the surface area of the land. Resources needed. Internet. Book.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Mirza bin Maslizam. My number matric is AA200595. And today I will discuss with you guys a solution for case 1. So from the question, we need to plot a graph so that we know the shaded area. So the question tells us that x south is 100 and x west is 1000, and this equation is north. So this equation we change into something that we can understand, and I get y equal 1 over 50 x squared minus x plus 60. So this equation we'll use to find the area. First we have to know the endpoint from the graph. What is the endpoint? The endpoint is x equal 100 and x equal 1000. So we use the equation and we have to change it into integration. After that, we integrate the equation. Next, we have to replace x with the value of midpoint. First value is x equal 1000 and we have to minus with second value, which is x equal 100. And finally, we could get the value of the area. The area is 6.219 times 10 power of 6 units.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurdiana binti Muhammad Hanafiah. My metric number is AA200319. Surface area. To find the surface area, we use the surface area formula and trapezoidal rules formula to find and solve the surface area of the land. The equation given is x squared over 50 minus x plus 60. So the dy dx will be x over 25 minus 1. Then replace all the value in the surface area formula. So the answer will be surface area equal to 2 pi integration from 100 to 1000 times x square over 50 minus x plus 60 times square root 1 plus x over 25 minus 1 square dx. To solve the equation, we use the trapezoidal rule. We fill in all the value in the table. Then we continue with trapezoidal formula, which is h over 2 times u plus 2v. So we replace the value from the table, which is we take the total, and the answer and the final answer is 1.15 times 10 to the power of 9 units square.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Dina Batrisha binti Abdul Hafiz and my matrix number is AA201103. I will explain about the conclusion. For the conclusion of the case study 1, Pbl Engineering Mathematics, we study and solve the case study 1. Based on the case study 1, we identify that there is a farmer who wants to buy a land and wondering how big is the land is. So we as the owner of the land need to identify the graph area and also the surface area of the land so that we can sell it to the farmer. However, to obtain the result of final answer, we need to sketch the graph, do calculation using the area formula, and also apply the application of integration formula to find the surface area with the given information in this case study 1. By doing all of this, we can get the answer that we want. Thank you.